What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy Dogecoin on Binance. So this is basically Binance mobile version. So if you want to buy it on the PC version, then comment down below and I will make a video on that as well. But before that, for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top largest crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And since it's the world's top largest crypto exchange, a lot of people use it and it's secure. So if you guys also want to sign up into it, I will leave a referral link in the description which you guys can use to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment and let's move forward now, shall we? So the first step is you want to open your Binance app, and after you open it, go and trade. Now I'm using the pro version of Binance, alright? And over here, click on this opposite direction pointing arrow. And once you click on it, you want to search for DOGE. So Dogecoin is also known as Doge. If you write Dogecoin, nothing is going to be shown. So make sure to write Doge only, alright? And over here, you want to choose which crypto you want to use to buy Dogecoin. So I want to use USDT, so I'm going to click on Doge/USDT, but you choose whichever crypto you want. And after clicking on it, and over here, you want to click on this arrow and you want to choose market. Now, if you want to use limit and stop limit, it's your option. But if you guys are new to trading, go on market. Market basically means you guys are going to buy Dogecoin at its current price. And over here, enter the amount of USDT you want to use to buy Dogecoin and click on buy Doge and your Dogecoin will be bought. That's how simple it is to buy Dogecoin in Binance. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and bye-bye.